can't talk seriously. Looking like that. Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup today, so it is gonna be a challenge. Today I'm going to do a reverse makeup challenge. So everyone has a routine, a makeup routine. Someone starts their makeup with eyebrows or with eyes and then doing their face makeup and lips. Of course, it's all about the end result. My personal makeup routine is first eyebrows, then I'm doing my eyes, then I'm doing my face makeup, then I'm doing my lower lash line, then I'm doing my lips. So the last step, which is setting spray, today is going to be my first step, and my first step, which is primer, is going to be my last step. Of course, this is not makeup tutorial, this is a challenge, but if you want to know how to do your makeup in reverse, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let the madness begin. I'm going to start off with the setting spray, and today I'm going to use two setting sprays. One is the Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I don't know the brand. And the second one is the Diego Dalla Palma setting spray. And today I'm going to mix these two sprays together. I will take the makeup sponge and spray it all over my face and tap it on to my face. This is going to be our primer. Of course, today I'm not going to color correct. Okay. Of course, I want you to subscribe to my channel for more challenges. And of course, I want you to like this video to support me. And the second setting spray, the Diego Dalla Palma. Oh my god! I don't know if my skin is primed or not, but okay. My very last step is what? Setting spray, and after we go highlighter, or no? Oh my god, highlighter! But how I can... Okay, I will use the highlighter. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, of course, I won't put powder highlighter on the bare skin. I will put liquid highlighter. And today I'm going to use the all-round contouring powder. All-round contouring powder. And today I'm going to use the all-round contouring palette from the Catrice Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this liquid highlighter on the bare face. Yes, what can I do? You drive me crazy, I just can't see. I'm so excited, I'm meant to be crazy. I will try my best, okay? I'm putting the liquid highlighter here. Oh my god. With my fingertips. Oh, that's too much. Oh my god. Okay, a little bit here. A little bit on the forehead, on the chin, on the top lip. Okay, of course I have to blend it. How can I blend it on the bare skin? Oh my god. Of course, I will put the foundation on top. The foundation is full coverage and the highlighter won't be visible. So I will put as much as I can. Of course, it looks like trash, but trust the process. Okay, I will blend this with the beauty blender. Highlighter is on. What the heck? I'm glowing like I don't know who. Before the highlighter, I do my lips. I will do nude lips today because I don't know which look I will do today. This is the Essence Stay Matte 8 Hours Liquid Lipstick in the shade 6 to be fair. Lips. No lip primer today. Of course, I will do my overlighting as usual. I forgot that I had to carve up my lips first, but guess what? We're not doing that today. After the lips, I'm going to do what? I don't want to say that. Lashes! Without primer and without eyeshadow. Okay, this is a challenge, So, you have to like this video because I'm doing it for you. I will stick these lashes right here. I can't talk seriously looking like that. Usually, I do my lashes first and then I stick the fake eyelashes. So now I'm going to put my lashes on the oily eyelid. I don't want to do that anymore, but okay, I will do that. And you will subscribe to my channel, of course, and you will like this video. Lashes are on. Time to put on the mascara. And first, I put the mascara on the lower lashes and then on the upper lashes. Oh my god, today I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara. And first, I'm going to apply it on the upper lashes and then on the lower lashes. Guys, this is insane. The next step is the eyeliner, I guess. Yeah, the eyeliner. Today I'm using the Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner. I'm not going to talk because I have to do the wink without talking. I forgot to do the lower lashes. Hold on. I'm not doing the winked eyeliner today because I have hooded eyes. I have to put the pencil on my lower and upper waterlines. On the upper waterline, I'm going to use the Bourjois Paris Black Gel Liner. On the lower waterline, I'm going to use the white pencil from the Catrice Cosmetics. I have to do first my lower lash line. I'm going to use Beauty Glazed Color Fusion Rainbow Palette with this colorful eyeshadows right here. And I'm going to do my lower lash line. I will take this shade right here. My god, without primer. I don't understand how these eyeshadows are so pigmented on my oily eyelids. This is gorgeous. I will blend that with this shade right here. Okay, and I'm adding a little bit of this purplish shade right here on the lower lash line. Okay, time for the upper eyelids. Usually, I'm doing my transition shade, then I'm doing my crease color, and then I'm doing the cut crease, and then I'm doing the eyelid shade. Of course, I'm not doing the cut crease, so I guess I have to start off with the lid color. And for the lid, I'm going to use this glitter right here. And I'm going to apply it using flat brush very carefully. No, I forgot. No, first I have to highlight the inner corner. No. I'm using the MAC highlighter C18 Soft and Gentle. Sorry guys, I have to highlight first the inner corner. Now the lid color. Oh my god. I will try not to mess up my eyeliner. I will put a little bit with my finger. It's time to do the crease color, I guess. I will take this color right here. I will blend this out with big blending brush. Okay, for transition shade, I'm going to use light purplish lavender shade. Not that bad. I'm going to do the outer corner and I'm going to add some black eyeshadow on the outer corner. Okay, now I have to highlight my brow bone using the MAC C18 Soft and Gentle Highlighter. Usually I'm highlighting my brow bone first. I won't carve my eyebrows today. Guys, not too bad. I didn't mess up my lashes. And that's it for the eyes. After the eyes, I'm doing what? The contour. But of course, I will do today cream contour. First, I'm doing the bronzer. I have the Maybelline Face Studio stick. And I have also the Catrice contouring palette. And I can use this one for contour and this one for bronzer. Yeah, I will choose warmer shade, this one right here. This is the Maybelline Face Studio Master V Contour in the shade 2 Medium. And this is going to be my bronzer. Now I have to use cream blush. And for today, I'm using the Dream Touch blush from the Maybelline New York Cosmetics in the shade 2. Oh, I don't want to cover the highlighter. No, wait, hold on. Like that. Okay? Okay? Okay. No.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, contour. And I'm taking these 2 shades because they are cool toned. And I'm going to contour my face. I will contour my nose, lower lip here a little bit on the chin. Now I have to blend it. It looks like a total trash. But okay, we will make it work. Don't worry. Then I'm using the powder to powder. But how can I use powder on top of the... Guess what? I'm not using powder. Okay, I have to. Okay, I will powder a little bit using the Fit Me matte and poreless powder. Just a little bit under the eyes without baking and all this stuff. Concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible More Than Concealer. A little bit of concealer. Just a little bit under the eyes with my fingertip. And it won't crease. I hope so. Foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use, of course, my favorite L'Oreal Matte Infallible 24 Hours Foundation. And this is matte foundation, and this is full coverage, so it will set on my face. First here, on the chin, on my forehead, a little bit on my nose. I will hide the nose contour, the blush and the contour and all this stuff, but I will tap it on. My face is creasing now. It's time for the eyebrows. I'm using the eyebrow gel first. I'm not carving my eyebrows today. I will go straight for the Sculpting Brow Mascara from the Maybelline New York in the shade Dark Blonde. I will brush my eyebrows up and do very fluffy brows. And I will take Maybelline Brow Precise Pencil, draw a little bit of the individual hairs and do a little bit in the tail, add some more of the hairs. And time for the last step, which is going to be primer. Of course, I'm not going to add the primers that are sticky or something. I'm going to use the setting sprays that I used before because these setting sprays are prep and prime, and I use them as a primer sometimes. I will soak my beauty blender in this setting spray, and I hope that it will set my foundation. Of course, my foundation is matte, but I want to set it more with the setting spray. But I will spray it on my face, and I will tap it on with the beauty blender to set my face. And now I'm using the second setting spray. Of course, I can use it also as a base. Oh. Alright guys, and that was the reverse makeup challenge. I like this challenge. No, I don't. No. And my makeup looks not so bad. This is not the worst makeup I've ever done. And if you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me, or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That all is Ira Cloud. And see you in my next video. Bye! Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel.